Imagine a flying giant so massive it can transport military tanks, construction equipment, or even other airplanes across oceans. These enormous cargo planes are the hidden giants of aviation, built not for speed or glamour, but for sheer power and endurance. Today, we'll take a closer look at the most powerful cargo planes ever built, each with its own unique design, history, and role in shaping the skies. Stick around until the end, because some of these flying giants are so unbelievable that they defy the limits of engineering. 1. Antonov An-225 Mriya. The Antonov An-225 Mriya stands as the undisputed king of cargo aviation, a true masterpiece of Soviet engineering. Designed in the 1980s to carry the Buran space shuttle, the An-225 wasn't just large, it was unprecedented. With 6 massive engines and a payload capacity exceeding 640 tons, it shattered multiple world records. Its wingspan stretched nearly 290 feet, making it wider than a football field. The An-225 was used to transport everything from locomotives to massive industrial generators, often drawing crowds wherever it landed. 2. Lockheed C-5M Super Galaxy. The Lockheed C-5M Super Galaxy is the U.S. Air Force's answer to heavy global airlift. Capable of carrying 135 tons of equipment, it can transport tanks, helicopters, and even large missiles. Its unique nose door allows cargo to roll in and out with remarkable efficiency, making loading and unloading faster than with most other aircraft. First introduced in the late 1960s, the C-5 fleet has undergone continuous modernization, with new engines, avionics, and structural upgrades to extend its service life well into the 2040s. 3. Antonov An-124 Ruslan. Often described as the younger sibling of the An-225, the Antonov An-124 Ruslan is still one of the most formidable cargo planes in existence. With a payload capacity of 150 tons, it is a favorite among both military forces and civilian cargo operators. Unlike many transport aircraft, the An-124 features a crew rest area and living quarters, allowing long-haul missions without constant stopovers. This makes it ideal for international freight operations where speed and endurance are key. The An-124 has transported everything from locomotives to satellites, often being the only aircraft in the world capable of carrying such oversized items. Despite its age, it remains a vital player in global heavy cargo transport. 4. Airbus Beleg XL. The Airbus Beleg XL might be one of the most unusual-looking planes ever built, with its bulbous whale-shaped fuselage earning it the nickname the Flying Whale. Introduced in 2019, it was specifically designed to transport Airbus aircraft parts, like wings and fuselage sections, between factories across Europe. With a payload capacity of 51 tons and one of the widest cargo bays in the world, it can fit items that no other plane could handle. Its cheerful design, often painted with a smiling whale face, hides its incredible strength and engineering precision. While its mission is specialized, without the Beleg XL, Airbus would not be able to build its passenger planes on time, making it one of the most important cargo planes in the modern era. 5. Boeing Dreamlifter. If Airbus has the Beluga, Boeing counters with the Dreamlifter. Based on the Boeing 747-400, this heavily modified aircraft was designed to move massive sections of the Boeing 787 Dreamliner across continents. With one of the largest cargo holds in the world by volume, the Dreamlifter can carry parts that would be impossible to ship by sea or land. Its hinged tail opens up, allowing oversized components to slide inside with surprising ease. Although only 4 Dreamlifters exist, they are constantly in use, ensuring Boeing's global production line keeps moving smoothly. These aircraft are proof that sometimes aviation engineering needs custom-built solutions for specific industrial needs. 6. Aviation L-76. The Aviation L-76 has been a workhorse of cargo aviation since the 1970s. Unlike some of the newer giants, this Soviet-designed plane was built with ruggedness in mind. Capable of carrying 50 tons of cargo, it can land on unpaved or icy runways, making it perfect for missions in remote or war-torn regions. It has been used extensively for both military and civilian purposes, from delivering humanitarian aid in Africa to carrying armored vehicles in the Middle East. More than 1,000 Il-76 aircraft have been produced, and many are still flying today, proving the durability of its design. 7. McDonnell Douglas KC-10 Extender. Although known primarily as an aerial refueling tanker, the KC-10 Extender also serves as a cargo transport. With its cavernous interior, it can carry 75 tons of equipment while still performing refueling missions. This dual role has made it invaluable to U.S. military operations, particularly in the Middle East, where it has been a constant presence for decades. Its design is based on the DC-10 airliner, giving it the efficiency of a civilian aircraft with the versatility of a military workhorse. While newer tankers are entering service, the KC-10's ability to serve as both a flying gas station and a cargo plane ensures its place in aviation history. 8. Kawasaki C-2. Japan's Kawasaki C-2 is one of the newer entrants in the heavy cargo aircraft world, introduced in the 2010s. Designed for the Japan Air Self-Defense Force, it can carry around 37 tons of cargo, but its long range and high cruising speed make it stand out. Unlike older cargo planes, the C-2 uses modern materials and avionics, giving it superior efficiency and reduced maintenance needs. It is versatile enough to transport military vehicles, relief supplies, or even perform medical evacuation missions. As Japan expands its humanitarian and defense presence globally, the Kawasaki C-2 is playing an increasingly vital role in connecting the nation with the world. 9. Airbus A400M Atlas. The Airbus A400M Atlas is Europe's answer to the need for a modern, multi-role transport aircraft. With a payload capacity of 37 tons, it bridges the gap between tactical transports like the C-130 Hercules and larger strategic lifters like the C-17. What sets the A400M apart is its ability to land on short, unpaved runways, making it ideal for missions in remote or disaster-stricken regions. It can also double as an aerial refueler, extending its usefulness beyond cargo missions. Since its entry into service in 2013, the A400M has been deployed worldwide, proving its value in both military and humanitarian operations. 10. Boeing C-17 Globemaster II. Finally, we arrive at the Boeing C-17 Globemaster II, one of the most versatile and widely used cargo planes in the world. With a payload of 77 tons, it strikes a balance between massive capacity and impressive agility. Unlike many of its larger counterparts, the C-17 can land on rough, short runways, bringing heavy equipment directly into combat zones or disaster areas. Since its debut in the 1990s, it has become the backbone of U.S. and Allied transport fleets, delivering tanks, helicopters, and humanitarian aid across continents. Its reliability and flexibility have made it one of the most respected cargo aircraft in aviation history. From the record-breaking Antonov An-225 to the versatile Boeing C-17, these massive cargo planes prove that aviation is about more than speed and elegance. It's about raw strength and the ability to move the immovable. They keep supply chains alive, deliver aid when disaster strikes, and support global security in ways few people ever see. Cargo planes are engineering marvels designed to transport extraordinary weights across continents. Aircraft like the Antonov An-225 set records for lifting capability. Military logistics rely heavily on these planes for rapid deployment. Commercial cargo planes support global trade and supply chains efficiently. Specialized containers and pallets facilitate organized and safe transport. Engines and landing gear are reinforced to handle maximum payloads. Flight planning ensures optimal routes and fuel management. Loading and unloading require cranes, forklifts, and precise coordination. Oversized cargo like vehicles, machinery, or even helicopters are routinely carried. Weather conditions significantly affect cargo flight safety and scheduling. Navigation and avionics systems monitor every aspect of flight. Runway length and surface strength must accommodate heavy takeoffs and landings. Crew training focuses on handling extreme weight distribution challenges. Safety regulations are rigorous to protect crew and cargo. Modern cargo planes balance payload with fuel efficiency for long-distance missions. The design of cargo holds emphasizes flexibility and volume. Military and humanitarian operations depend on these giants for rapid response. Engine reliability is critical under maximum load conditions. Long-range cargo flights connect global production and consumption hubs. Technological innovation improves cargo handling speed and safety. Aircraft maintenance ensures consistent operational readiness. Fuel management strategies optimize efficiency under heavy load. Historical cargo aircraft influenced global trade development. Air freight has revolutionized just-in-time manufacturing and delivery. Logistics companies rely on large cargo planes for strategic advantage. Ground operations involve extensive teamwork and planning. Cargo planes symbolize strength, endurance, and reliability. Aviation enthusiasts marvel at their size and capability. Heavy-lifting aircraft push aerospace engineering boundaries continually. Cargo planes remain indispensable in connecting the world efficiently. Without these giants, modern life and international logistics would grind to a halt. Which of these cargo planes do you think is the most impressive? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible aviation stories.